Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a very exciting tutorial on Monday.com. Monday.com, really awesome project management tool. I'm going to show you how you can vote in Monday.com. How to vote in Monday.com. So make sure you watch this till the very end. It's a very short video. And also leave your thoughts in the comment section if you want me to create a different tutorial on Monday.com. If you have any suggestions, make sure you leave your suggestions down below. And now to vote in Monday.com, what you have to do, if you click on here, you have this plus, click on this plus, and here we have more columns. Click on that, and here in the search bar, we have to write vote. All right, write vote, please, and here we have vote on an items, pick a new feature or a feature launch. Now click on add to board, please. All right, now look what we have here, guys. We have vote. You can now vote, and you can see here the total votes and total voters, which is pretty cool and really helpful. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, leave your questions down below, and see you now in the next video. Take care.